Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters. Today we're going to be opening this box and we're going to see the February Love from Lizi card kit. It's a little bit magic. Inside we have a load of fabulous product. They come in a large Ziploc bag, which I've taken them out of for ease, and I've also had a quick browse through everything, and I have to say I love it all. This kit is very bright and sunny and cheerful and exciting and just a pleasure. It makes me smile when I look at this kit. There's loads in it, so I'm going to move all this lot over here and let's go through the cardstock first. So as usual, we get 5 sheets of cardstock. One of these sheets is a white sheet, and this is alcohol friendly, marker friendly cardstock. So you can stamp on this, you can color it in with your alcohol markers. Yeah, so we always get at least 1 sheet of this in our kit each month. Then there's 4 lovely colored cardstock in a blue, a green, a pink and a yellow. And these are the basic colors that come, you know, in all the stuff that we get in the kit. So I'm going to leave this over here. And the next thing I'm going to do is pull out these 2 sheets. So these 2, well, actually there's 4 of them, but they are 2 sheets. You'll see what I mean in a moment. So these sheets have been cut down. They're originally 12 by 12 sheets. And what Lizi has done for ease of putting them in the kit is to cut them in half like so. So we have these 2 sheets with loads of cut parts on them with some really good sentiments, and you can see where we're going with this kit. It's all about rainbows and hearts and color and unicorns and just really cheerful. On the back side of this then you have some pattern paper, and this can be used as well for background or for whatever you like. So there's the first 2 of those cutter parts, and then this is the second 2. So again, this would have been probably like this, and Lizi has cut them apart, and there's loads of sentiments on this that you can cut out excuse me, and use on a card. So they'll be really handy for sentiments. But we don't have to worry about these just being the sentiments for in our cards, because Lizi gives us a lovely stamp set. So the stamp set here is just, it's lovely. We have a lovely little girl here in a very cute pose. She has her hands behind her back and she has a little unicorn hat on. I hope you can see it there. Isn't she so cute? Lovely. She makes me think of my little niece Matilda. That cheeky little look on her face. So we have a number of sentiment stamps on here, 7 of them. So we have "You Are My Rainbow Unicorn," "Love is Magic," "Make a Wish," "Believe You Can," "You Are Magical," "Magic is in You," and "You Are Awesome." I love these sentiments, but I have to say my favorite one is the "Make a Wish." This will be so useful in birthday cards. So this will be a lovely little sentiment either on the outside of a card or the inside of a card. We also have a star and a moon, and we have a stamped image here, and it's stars and dots. So I think these would be like stars and planets, etc. So a night sky, and the same with this one here. So a really cool stamp set that we get in the kit. We also get some Puffy stickers. Now I watched Alicia, the crazy paper chick. She done an unboxing, and also she made her 10 cards 1 kit, and I recommend you pop over and have a look at the cards she made. But she uses these stickers on her card and she was really very pleased with them. She said that they stuck really well. So I'm looking forward to using these too. We have lots of sentiments on the front and the back. Live life, happy, follow the rainbow, shine bright, hello, love, thanks, you are magic, celebrate today, happy birthday, thank you, best wishes, party time, love always, congratulations, make a rainbow, good, thanks, oh, it's good vibes only, and then thanks, smile, hello, and oh, happy day, and let's party, yay, dream big, hey friend, be a rainbow, and happy birthday. So there's lots of sentiments in this kit that we can use. Okay, so next I want to look at the pattern paper that we get. And if I'm correct in thinking, we get 10 sheets and they're a double-sided pattern paper. So I'll flip through these very quickly. Lovely. And I love the color tones on this. That's so cute with the little. And these papers will give you a hint at some of the ephemera that we'll be getting. So I like that the back will say of this is really good, because it will kind of help to calm down the image, you know, on the front of your card. I love the rainbows and stars. There's the love hearts and crisscross, stripes and polka dots. Oh, that's so cute. Unicorns, rainy clouds, suns, rainbows. It's everything in that, really, isn't there? We get ice creams and polka dots, and there's little faces on the ice cream cones. These lovely little flowers, and polka dots, and then these lovely flowers, and again polka dots. So there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Indeed, we get 10 sheets of pattern paper. We also get some Puffy stickers. We get 6 of these, and again, these icons are from our pattern paper. You can see the images there, and will be fab on a card. We get some, instead of ribbon, we get string. They remind me of laces, colorful laces. So you can see with these that the color changes as it goes along. And I think this is 1 large, no, it's 2. We get 2 pieces. And let's see how long it is. It's 39 inches approximately. That's what my white one is here. And then the colorful one is probably much the same. So we get lots of this. I'm going to call this string. We also get some sequins, and Lizzie has picked out some of the colors from our pattern paper to very similar colors in our sequins. And there's also lovely little hearts in here as well. This is just a little sample bag. You can actually go onto the website and buy a full bag of this if you like to use sequins. I love to make shaker cards, so you know, having the bigger bag would be very, very handy, but I think there'll be enough in this for what I plan to make today. We also get some dies. There's 5 dies in this little bag. So one of them is a little cloud, which is always handy to have in your stash. We also get this Pegasus. I think that's what you call a winged horse, but I mean, you could also say that a unicorn can fly, that its wings are magically not there until it needs to fly, and then its wings appear. So, you know, and then we also get these 3 little raindrops, and they're for with our cloud, just like our imagery here on this paper. So all together we get 5 little dies. Perfect. We get some ephemera, and there's lots of ephemera in this. And I'm going to quickly open and go through it. I'm not going to go through it all, needless to say, because there's a lot of ephemera. But what I want to pick up and show you is not only do we have fabulous iridescent shiny pieces of ephemera and the cutest little boy unicorn with a hula hoop. Isn't that so cute? And then a little girl. I presume this is the girl because she's in pink, and that's the boy because he's in blue, but whatever, we're past that in this day and age. But she's on roller skates. We have cake, unicorn, a heart, and then this one with the donut. And again, there's a lot of iridescence on it. I hope my camera is picking it up. The cloud. This is what I wanted to show you. There are quite a few, isn't he just the cutest little dinosaur on his skateboard? There are quite a few of these doubles. So what they actually are, if I can just pop some of these down as well. These pieces, what you can do is you can fold these over. There is a score line there, and when you fold them over you have a double-sided piece. Now this would be perfect as for a spinner piece. So if you're making a spinner card, your icon goes onto some string. Now Lizzie, she's well on the ball here. She's added some string. Now I'm hoping you can see this. This is like a fishing line or a fishing gut, or just a clear see-through string that you can use for doing a spinner card. And the idea is that you put your string between this piece and then you twist it, close your card, and then when you open your card, this piece twists, so you see both sides spinning around. I'm going to make a spinner card in my 10 cards 1 kit, so make sure you come back for that and you'll see how I make my spinner cards. But there's loads of double ephemera pieces that Lizzie has put in, so you can make spinner cards. But you don't have to just use them for spinner cards. You can also use them on your cards, so you have 2 images that you can place that are the same. So yeah, I love this idea. I've never seen this in ephemera before, and I just think it's a really cool idea. And some lovely little flower icons there. And then the last of it over here, we get a cute little bee. Look at that little bee, is so cute. And a little butterfly, banana. There's just loads, absolutely loads. So that's the ephemera, which is so cool. We also get 3 paper clips, and these are so unusual. They're an iridescent, multicolored. Can you see the lovely shine on them there? Absolutely fabulous. So they'd make a great focal point on a card or on a layout, whatever you want to use them on. I might just make a book tag and a bookmark and use them on it. You'll have to come back and watch the 10 cards 1 kit video to see what I do with those. And then finally we get, as we always do at Lizzie's kit, some peel-offs. Now these are like a sparkly iridescent. Can you see them? But they're actually see-through. So when you pop this off and put it, we'll say, on a pink background, you'll see through the little poke, the little dot, it'll look like it's a pink iridescent, sparkly. So this is really fun. You can use these on any cardstock, and they come in 3 sizes: tiny, small, and bigger. Or small, medium, and large, whatever you want to call them yourself. But I love these. They are so cool for embellishing a card. So instead of using your gems or your enamel dots, these are just like those, but they're in a peel off. And for a finish, we also get in this kit a sheet of acetate, and it's a large sheet of acetate. It measures 11 3/4 by 8 1/4, and this will be wonderful for making shaker cards. So I know it's kind of hard for you to see it, but that also comes in the kit. So that's everything that comes in the kit. And I think you'll agree with me, that is a fabulous amount of product that you get for your money. Lizzie's kits, I don't know how she makes any profit. I really don't. Between paying for staff and paying for the kits, I don't know how she's making money on it. I really don't, because it's full. It's jam-packed with product. Now, you can also get some add-on products that Lizzie likes to bring in along with what the kit is. So these are extras that you can purchase. And don't forget, anything that you purchase now as a subscriber and you put into your basket and pay for, click on the little box that says you're a subscriber, and guys, it'll come with your kit. You won't pay shipping. I mean, how fabulous is that? Lizzie, you're a genius. But I still don't understand how you're making any profit, Lizzie. So I have gotten these two. These are peel-off sticker packs, and they are in the add-ons, and I just think they're lovely. This one is your standard peel-offs. It comes in 3 widths. It's a lovely copper color. Then we have this pink sparkly one, and they're all the same thickness. We also have this green shiny metallic, and again, they're all the same thickness. And then we get these. These are black hearts, again in the small, medium and large size, and they are just, they're like the peel-offs we got here, only they're in black. Isn't that so cool? I love that you have a different array of peel-offs in the pack. So that's one pack that you can purchase in the add-on set. This is another one. This is a lovely peach color, again with the 3 sizes. This one is a lovely silver sparkly, again in the 3 sizes. Then we have a white one in the 3 sizes, and this lovely green in the 3 different sizes. So brilliant add-ons there. Lizzie also had some sentiment dies. When I was having a look through the add-ons, I spotted these. Now, this is the set you get. What I do when I get my dies from Lizzie is I stick the paper, the Love from Lizzie paper, onto a 300 GSM piece of cardstock, and I put it into this wallet. And then what I do is I add some magnetic sheet on here and then put my dies on that. That way I can store them in my craft room. I can see exactly what they are, where I got them, when I got them, all those lovely details. But yours will just come stuck on double-sided tape on this piece here. Now these have For You, With Love, and Happy Birthday, and they are a fabulous size die. I love having products in my stash that I will use repeatedly, and these dies come with a shadow, so you can cut your background in one color and then cut your word in another and layer them. Absolutely fabulous. So please do pop over to Lizzie's website. I'll leave links to everything down below, but you'll find that she not only does wonderful kits, she does add-ons, she does extra dies. There is so much you have a look at. So that's it for now. That's the unboxing. Make sure you keep an eye on this space for my cards. My 10 cards, 1 kit will be coming soon to my channel. So until next time, folks, stay safe and bye for now.